learning here? Yes, I'll tell you a story. Will you all understand the story? Okay, what is this, you know? Sticks, right? How many sticks are there in my hand? 4 sticks are there in my hand. Okay, I want 4 children now. 4 boys come here. Any 4 boys come? So, the story is unity is the strength. Do you know what is unity? Unity, do you know? Unity means not fighting, always being friendly. You all are friends, right? Yes, will you fight? Will you fight? You will fight? No, right? No, you should not fight. So the story is, you see here, there is one father. Okay? One father is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sons. How many sons? 4 sons are there. All the 4 are fighting always. Always they'll be quarreling with each other. They never sit together and eat. They never sit and happily talk. They always fight with each other. They pinch each other. Do you know pinching? What is pinching? They beat each other. That is not correct, right? So, the father asked not to do it. The father advised them to be good to each other. But the sons never listened. These are the 4 sons. Okay? So, what father said this? All of you come to me, he said. Okay? And father given all the 4 sons 4 sticks. Okay? And the father asked them to break the stick. Shall we see if we can break the stick? Break the stick? You see we broke it? All of you see here? We broke on the stick. You break? Yes, you break. Break the stick. See, we broke it? See, all are breaking the stick. It is easy to break the stick, right? Now, shall we try again? Give the sticks to me. Give the stick. Now, I have so many sticks with me. Yes? They all broke on the sticks when they had one sticks in hand. Now, this all sticks are in my hand. This is bundle of sticks. What is this? Bundle of sticks. Say, bundle of sticks. All of you say once again. Very good. Bundle of sticks. So many sticks are tied. Now, if I want to break this, will it be easy to break? Do you know? Can we break this? Shall we break this now? Shall we try? Shall we try to break? Teacher, can you show once? See, teacher is trying to break this. Teacher is not able to break. You saw he is breaking, right? He broken, right? They all broken the stick, right? When they had one stick in hand, they broken it. Now so many sticks are in hand. They are bundle of sticks. But teacher is not able to break. Why? Because if you all are sitting together, happy, being with each other, very friendly, no one can break you. No one can disturb you. Okay? If you are alone, people will disturb you. They all will trouble you. Easily they can give problems to you. But if you all are sitting happily together, it is not easy to break your friendship. So, unity is strength. So, these sticks are very strong now. Yes? Because they are united. They all are close with each other. So, never be alone. Never sit alone. Always be united and be friendly with everyone. Never quarrel with anyone. So, the